sir.
Good. And what is your name?
My name is Alan.
Hello, Alan. How do you spell your name?
A-L-A-N.
Alright. And how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Good. 11 years old. And how are you today?
I'm very happy.
And what food do you like?
I like pizza.
And how's the weather like today? How's the weather like today?
The weather is very sunny
Very sunny.
and the temperature is very high.
Exactly. And where do you live?
I live in the city.
City. Here in Hanoi, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And where in Hanoi?
Hanoi is very.
Where in Hanoi? Is it in Tu Liam? Tu Liam War?
Hanoi is in Hanoi. The house I live is in the south to you.
Okay. And who do you live with?
I live with my family.
And who are they?
They are baby sister, father, me, and mother.
Okay. And what's the best memory you have with your family?
My best cousin is my baby sister because baby sister she is like play with me.
And do you live in a small or a big town?
I live in the big town.
Big town. Okay. And now I've got here 4 pictures. Okay. And I want you to tell me what do you see in the picture.
The first picture is market.
Is a market? Yeah.
The second picture is city.
A city. Okay.
The third picture is park. The last picture is playground.
Playground. And in your opinion, Alan, what is the busiest place in your town? What is the busiest place in your town? Is it the market? City?
My town has the big market.
And is it the busiest so far among all the places?
It's very busy in morning and quiet in evening.
Alright. And can you describe me the park in your town? Can you describe?
Yes, I have a park. My building next to my home. The building next to my home is has a park in the building.
Okay, can you describe the park in your town or in your city?
The park is fresh air and very peaceful.
So it has fresh air, correct? Correct?
Yeah.
Alright. And does your town have big or narrow streets? Does it have big or narrow streets?
It's the big street.
Big streets.
Yeah.
Okay. And which picture among the 4 do you like best and why?
I like market because market is so many delicious foods and the money is very cheap. The price is very cheap.
Okay. And for part 3, Alan, I want you to talk about the Tet holiday here in Vietnam. Okay? Are you ready?
The Tet holiday is celebrated in February and March. People usually decorate the home, decorate the house, and by the peach flower. The traditional foods are eaten is chungkek and chicken. The Tet is very important in Vietnam because I can have every many money and I'm very happy.
Okay. So that's why you feel that Tet holiday is one of the important things or holiday in Vietnam, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's it. Thank you very much, Alan. That concludes our speaking test. Goodbye.